Na nababo kabalin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
As well as helping businesses promote their products and services to our We're in Pampanga community. For today's vlog guys, it's gonna be our first time na mag-feature ng isang ganito. Pag-usapan natin lahat ng mga services nila, and you might be interested to get their service. Stay tuned po, panoorin niyo pong video na to because this might be for you.
So tara, let's go!
Right, so makikita nyo guys, dito ginagawa yung mga build-up letters. Pansinin nyo, so parang 3D. Yan, may 3D, ano siya, effect yung mga signage ninyo kapag naka-build up letter yan. Ayan, example. Alright, so kasama natin ngayon si Sir Ryan ng Ink Monkeys, and syempre meron tayong konting interview sa kanya, no? Para meron tayong information about the business and yung mga services na ino-offer nila. So, first off, sir, ilang years na po ba ang business natin?
Actually, sir, almost 2 years.
Almost 2 years. Pero ang background ng family and business is in terms of art.
Yes, sir. Ang lines talaga namin is art and sign.
Okay.
My father,
Siya po talaga yung nagsimula.
kami.
Sa kanya nyo nakuha yung skills, yung talent.
talent, experience.
There you go. And we are talking about how many years?
2 decades.
2 decades, 20 years. Yeah. Wow. So, ganun actually yung background and the backbone po ng Ink Monkeys. And so far, right now, in terms of 2 years ng business, ganda yung maging kliyente natin.
So ngayon, as of now, nasa 40 to 50 clients na.
Okay, okay. And then, those clients are ranging from ano pong industries?
Like milk tea, like battery hub.
Now, in terms of services, ano po yung lahat ng mga pinikater natin?
Usually, ang forte namin is signage.
Signage, okay. Okay.
Signage, t-shirt. Pero ang forte namin talaga is art and signage. Lettering, digital printing, t-shirts.
Sa mga signage po, so, at saka sa signboard, ano po yung mga variations na pwede natin gawin?
Build-up letters.
Build-up letters.
Stainless, yan. Ginagawa namin lahat yan. Pwedeng walang ilaw, pwedeng may ilaw. Basta nag-email yung customer or nag-message sa FB, kaagad, i-reply ng big boss na.
Alright. Right now, what they are doing is nagpa-print tayo ng sticker for my car. And aside from that, tingnan nyo naman guys. So they also have, printing for tarpaulins. They also have printing for t-shirts. And pinaka-main business nila are actually on signages. If you notice guys, they have large number of clients printed dito po. Yeah, ranging from Panaflex, build-up letters, may ilaw or walang ilaw, pwede po nilang gawin dito. Okay, so let me go back to the, tingnan natin. Alright, so there you have it guys. If you're interested to get the service of Ink Monkeys, make sure to check out their fan page, or we're gonna be flashing the numbers on your screen. If you're looking for a signage, a tarpaulin print, or even t-shirt printing guys, make sure to check out Ink Monkeys. Thank you so much for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out. Bye guys.